Hello everyone. Now we are going to cover 7 to 13th November current affairs video. Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance partnered with India Post Payment Bank and Department of Post to launch two insurance products for rural customer. Bajaj Allianz Insurance partnered with India Post Payment Bank and Department of Post to launch two insurance products. That is Bajaj Allianz Life Smart Protection Gold, Bajaj Allianz Life Smart Protection Gold and Bajaj Allianz Life Guarantee Pension Gold. Smart Protection Gold and Life Guarantee Pension Gold. 100 Great Indian Poems, the Arabic edition that was launched at Sharjah International Book Fair. Abhay Kumar. Written by Abhay Kumar. 100 Great Indian Poems, the Arabic edition that was launched at Sharjah International Book Fair. Written by Abhay Kumar. First Indian two-wheeler company to become a member of a United Nations Global Compact. INS. First Indian two-wheeler company to become a member of United Nations Global Compact. TVS Motor. UNGC, United Nations Global Compact. ED and CEO Sunda Ajambo. Headquarter New York. US. PGIM India Mutual Fund launched first global real estate security fund for investing in real estate equity securities. PGIM India Mutual Fund launched first global real estate securities fund for investing in real estate. 11th November World Usability Day. Varangala, the 100 Drums Festival at Gharoz, India, Tripura. Warangal, Tripura. 100 Drums Festival Gharoz in India. Ramnath Kovind conferred the honorary rank of General of Indian Army on General Prabhu Ram Sharma, Chief of Army Staff of Nepal. Ramnath Kovind conferred the honorary rank of General of the Indian Army on General Prabhu by General of the Indian Army to General of Prabhu Ram Sharma, Chief of Army Staff of Nepal. Prabhu Ram Sharma. Ajit Doval, Third Regional Security Dialogue. On Afghanistan at New Delhi. Delhi Declaration, Terrorism Free, Inclusive Government in Afghanistan. Article 153, Constitution provides governor. Article 153 Constitution provides for a governor. BharatPay launched world's first merchant shareholding program, MSP. BharatPay launched world's first merchant shareholding program for MSP to its merchant partner. CEO Ashir Grover, New Delhi, and founded 2018. BharatPay 2018. Ashir Grover, New Delhi. Atul Karnwal, DG of National Disaster Response Force. Atul Karnwal, DG of National Disaster Response Force. Nehru, the debates that defined India. Tripurandam Singh plus Adil Hussain. Public Service Broadcasting Day, 12th November. Mahatma Gandhi visit to All India Radio in New Delhi, 1947. Public Service Broadcasting Day, 12th November. Odisha government launched Rakshak, a road safety initiative. Odisha government Rakshak. Geojit Financial announced India's first online platform to open online trading and demat account, CDSL, for non-resident external NRE and NRO account. Geojit Financial announced India's first online platform to open online trading and demat account, CDSL, for NRE and NRO account. Satyanarayan Pradhan, new Director General for Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB. Satyajit Narayan Pradhan, new Director General for Narcotics Control Bureau. Satyanarayan Pradhan, NCB. Long Walk to Freedom, Autography of Nelson Mandela. Long Walk to Freedom. Japan Railway Track Consultant Company sign an MOU with National High Speed Railway Corporation Limited. Japan Railway Track Consultant Company sign an MOU with National High Speed Railway Corporation Limited to design high speed rail track for Mumbai Ahmedabad HSR Corridor Project. Mumbai Ahmedabad HSR Corridor Project. Deposit Scheme KGB Kavacham introduced by Kerala Grameen Bank. Deposit Scheme KGB Kavacham. Deposit Scheme KGB Kavacham introduced by Kerala Grameen Bank to encourage the people for the vaccination to reduce vaccine hesitancy. EGCA portal launched by Civil Aviation Minister to offer single window platform for the Indian aviation sector. EGCA portal launched by Civil Aviation. Axis Bank signed an MOU with Army Insurance Group to offer retail mortgage loan to Indian Army personnel. Axis Bank Army Insurance Group. Axis Bank Army Insurance Group. Daniel Ortega, fourth consecutive president of Nicaragua. Daniel, president of Nicaragua. Second biannual IAF Commanders Conference was inaugurated by Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh in Delhi. Biannual IAF Commanders Conference. Ensuring certainty amidst uncertainty. SBI Bank with Visa and Neo Digital Smart Digital Saving Account for customer. SBI Bank with Visa and Neo. SBI Bank Visa Neo. MD and CEO of SBI Bank Siddharth Rath 1994 establishment and Mumbai headquarter. Neo CEO Vinay Bangri headquarter Bangalore, Karnataka. Shil Vardhan Singh DG of Central Industrial Security Force. DG of Central Industrial Security Force. Frederick William de Klerk passed away, former President of South Africa. Frederick William de Klerk, South Africa. National Internet Exchange of India. National Internet Exchange of India launched digital payment gateway in partnership with PayU and NSDL. NIXI Chairman Ajit Shawni. Ministry of Electronics and Telecommunication, MeitY, headquarter New Delhi. NIXI headquarter New Delhi. The central government 3-member committee of RODTEP under the chairmanship of Gopal Krishna Pillai to fix expenditure rates on special economic zone. Central government's 3-member committee. Chairmanship Gopal Krishna Pillai. RODTEP and fixed expense rate on special economic zone. SEBI notified as SEBI mutual funds to allow the launch of exchange traded fund on silver. SEBI notified SEBI mutual funds to allow the launch of exchange traded fund on silver. Bombay Stock Exchange signed an MOU with AU India MSME Associate to encourage and promote the listing of MSME and startup. Bombay Stock Exchange signed an MOU with All India MSME Association. Bombay Stock Exchange, All India MSME Association. BSE established in 1875. Headquarter Mumbai. Chairman Vikramjit Sen. MD and CEO Ashok Kumar Chauhan. US 101 member of ISA, International Solar Alliance. The Goodwill Brand Ambassador of UNWEP, Daniel Bruhl. UNWEP Goodwill Brand Ambassador Daniel. Jeff Bezos own Blue Origin It planned to launch Orbital Reef for Space Business Park between 25 to 30. SFB tied up with three trade receivable discounting platform. SFB Small Finance Bank tied up with three trade receivable platforms to support Jana Small Finance Bank. Small Finance Bank. Establishment year 2008. Headquarters Bengaluru, Karnataka. And MD CEO Ajay Khanwal. Jana Small Finance Bank. MD CEO Ajay Khanwal. 8 to 14th November International Week of Science and Peace. 8 to 14th November International Week of Science and Peace. Global Climate Change Performance Index India 10th rank. Global Climate Change Performance Index India 10th rank. Released by German Watch on Sidelines COP26. Fourth place higher Denmark. MobiKwik launch MobiKwik Rupee Card plus Axis Bank. MobiKwik launch MobiKwik Rupee Card with partner with Axis Bank to get 2 lakh of their MobiKwik wallet balance. MD and CEO Bipinpreet Singh, Gurugram, Haryana headquarter. Gurugram Haryana headquarter and MD CEO Bipin Singh MobiKwik. LIC tied up with NPCI Bharat Bill Pay to provide Click Pay plus LIC and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. LIC and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance tied up with NPCI Bharat Bill Pay to provide Click Pay. NPCI Bharat Bill Pay to provide Click Pay facilities offering easy payments. Ajay Chibbar and Salman Anis book Unshackling India Hard Truth and Clear Choices for Economic Revival. Ajay Chibbar and Salman. South Korea Urban Air Mobility Vehicle for Air Taxi Services. South Korea Urban Air Mobility Vehicle for Air Taxi Services. Every year National Education Day 11th November. National Education Day 11th November. Matrubhumi Yojana scheme UP government as per Panchayati Raj Act 1947. Matrubhumi Yojana scheme UP government Panchayati Raj Act 1947. Thank you so much for watching the video. Now then we will cover 14 to 20 November first part video. Thank you so much.